tour. This time we're in Daku Resort, Savu Savu, Fiji. This is probably one of my favourite accommodation stays in Fiji that I've ever had. You'll see why at the end. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom garden villa. This was my bathroom, so a toilet, sink and shower with, of course, shampoo and soap. This was my bedroom, a queen-size bed, fan, I love that fan, and heaps of room for your luggage, including hanging space and an extra blanket. This is the main living room. We spent a lot of time in here, and the fully self-contained kitchen. I'll show you that in a minute. This was the second room with a king-size bed. It could be split into 2 single beds with lots of storage space again if you're staying for a longer time, lots of hanging space, and of course its own separate bathroom, toilet, sink and shower. This place would be really cool if you had 2 couples or a family. And now the fully self-contained kitchen. There was a full-size refrigerator, a 3 gas top burner, oven, and I love to open all the cupboards to see what they've got in there. There was a sink plunger, a broom, the rubbish bin, toaster, kettle, microwave, all the cutlery and utensils you could ever think you'd ever need and more. And then, of course, all the crockery, pots, pans and everything on the other side. Honestly, you could stay in here for like a couple of weeks and be self-sufficient. There's a fan in every single room, and I really love the view. There was also this outdoor setting. If we made our own meals, I would have eaten out here every night. There's a little clothesline on that side, and my favourite parts, the plunge pool and sunbeds. This was pretty much where I lived. Check out that view, my favourite in Fiji.